Morning everyone. Today our topic is what do animals eat? Now, different animals have different eating habits. Some animals like cow, goat, giraffe, elephant eat only plants and grasses. Now you have seen that they comes to the category of herbivorous because herbivorous animals only eat the plants, leaves and grasses. So the cow, goat, giraffe, elephant is in herbivorous category. Now animals like lion, tiger, fox, wolf kill other animals and eat their flesh. Yes, that's why they come to the category of carnivorous. Yes. Now you have seen that lion, tiger, fox are the category of carnivorous. Some animals like vulture and hyena, bear, crow all comes to the category of omnivorous because they eat the flesh and the dead parts of the others animals. Now we have discussed the difference between the each other. First herbivorous. Now herbivorous cow, goat, giraffe, elephant, and carnivorous lion, tiger, fox, and omnivorous vulture, hyena, bear, crow. These are the difference between these three. Now we will discuss about protecting animal. Now protecting animal is a very important topic because as our population increasing and our demand is increasing, we are deducting the large amount of forest in a large scale, and we are losing different animals by cutting the plants and destroying their homes. Now, you have seen that it is our duty to protect our animals because if we will not protect our animals, they will become endangered and extinct. Now, you see that if they are extinct from this earth, then we can't able to see them again, and our coming generation will look them on doll and they will play with that doll, but they can't see the real one. So it's our duty to protect the animals. Now however, certain activity of man like hunting and killing animals for their fun or for earning the money, we put out some of them from the world. This is the main big reason for the animals that many persons in this earth have killing the animals for their fun and killing the animals for their earning of money, because they sell the skin, horns and many more parts of the animals for their benefit in the whole over the world. So the decreasing of the animals is increase in a large scale and they have been deducted from this earth. Now many animals have been deducted from our earth due to such type of bad activities. Now they are no longer seen anywhere in the earth because if they one time become extinct, they can't be seen again. Some example are dodo birds and dinosaurs. These are the example of the extinct animal which can't be seen again in our earth. If we do not stop harming animal more and more, they will vanish in a large scale, because if we will disturb them, they will vanish from the earth. Because if they will vanish, then our ecological balance will be destructed and we will also vanish from the earth in coming some time. Now animals like tiger and panda already facing the danger. Yes, now they have come to the category of endangered species because their amount have decreased very less. Thus, let us all please to protect animals and treat them with the love and care. It is our duty to protect them and love them and care them. Now, government have made sanctuaries, parks, zoos for the protection of them, but also we all have to play some important role to protecting them. If they are coming to your houses, we should not harm them and we should send to them to zoo, park or the sanctuaries for the protection of them. This is our duty to protect our animals and help our generation, coming generation, to look them. So you also protect them and say other also to protect our animals and do a great job for the animals. By doing such type of activities, we can little bit increase the number of animals in amount. So it's a very important thing to protect our animals and increase their population in our earth. because their population have been decreased very less. So we should always try to protect them